Hey guys, Steve from Buyers. I want to talk to you about a new aluminum sliding bed box. What we have here, it's lighter weight than steel, so it's not going to eat up any of your capacity of your vehicle, but it's got the same capacities of those steel boxes out there. We have a C-channel design on the top. You can get 800 pounds up top. The drawers are on 3 heavy-duty sliding rollers. You can get 500 pounds in here with no issues, and it'll still slide smooth. All right, let's go ahead and open this thing up. It's push-button design. First thing you notice when you open this thing up, we have a rain gutter here and an automotive bulb seal, so everything's going to stay dry. Also, you're probably going to be carrying quite a bit in here. As you push the button in and slide out, when you let go, there's 3/4 inch steel pin detents there, so if you're not on level ground, you have full control of your cargo. This box is offered in a few different sizes. What we have right here is a 40-inch wide by 48-inch depth. We also offer this depth in 20-inch wide, so you have a little bit more room on the side. We offer one that is 24 inches wide with this same width of 40 inches. Those are great for cargo vans, the back of SUVs, all of those different sizes. They come in 3 different colors. We have the clear that you see right here. We have white and black powder coat, and with that, all of the mounting hardware is included. Some of the best benefits of this box is the configurability of it. There's 2,500 different ways that you can make this happen. What you see are these outer support beams. These can move side to side or come out completely. The individual panels can slide around either way you want. If you find that maybe halfway with one of these outer support beams is what you need, you can cut that down and use our divider kit to get exactly what you need. For a full list of details and specs and where to find your local dealer, please visit buyersproducts.com.